Initiative 1433 had the attention of many small business owners. The proposal passed, and Washington will now raise the minimum wage $4 over the next 4 years. It'll be done gradually, ending at an hourly rate of $13.50 by the year 2020. Washington's current rate of $9.47 ranks 9th nationwide. KXY4's Jack Ferris working for you. He's live outside the Lincoln Center tonight, where Greater Spokane Inc. is hosting a meeting for local business owners. Jack?
That's right, Nadine, and as you can imagine, decisions during last night's election are featured prominently on tonight's agenda. Earlier today, we had the opportunity to speak with some locals regarding the proposition. Bobby Gunkel owns and operates River Park Square's Oil and Vinegar. It's one of a handful of franchises nationwide, and half of a pair set in Washington State, with the other located in Bellevue. The main difference between the Evergreen State stores: employee cost of living.
This type of job is really for kind of the transition in life. You know, you're out of high school, going to college, or maybe a high school student. Sometimes they're trying to figure out what they want to do in life, so, you know, they'll come work for a year or two and decide, oh yeah, now I know what I want to be.
I-1433, which will raise the state minimum wage $4 over 4 years, passed in King County by a 72-28 margin. Locally, Spokane County denied the measure 54 to 46%.
It doesn't make a lot of sense here because it's going to increase my wages on a slow month at least $1,000 a month, and the money's got to come from somewhere.
Small franchise and business owners aren't the only Eastern Washington residents troubled with the initiative. Attorney Roger Coombs attended a downtown business luncheon at the Onion this afternoon and shared his thoughts regarding the wage hike. He was clear his opinions were his and did not reflect those of his law firm.
Our economy here is much different than the greater Seattle area, and you know, I think we have a different situation in terms of affordability of goods and services for workers here than is the case in King County.
While the profit margins of local restaurateurs and franchisee owners immediately come to mind, Coombs offers another fundamental argument.
What is the purpose of a minimum wage? Is it for somebody who will be able to afford a house? You know, certainly when minimum wage came in, I don't think that was the understanding.
Now, Nadine, another large concern people have in the area is that Spokane is a border county, so bigger companies who might be looking to have a footprint in Spokane could look at Idaho and be much more attracted to that $7.25 minimum wage. Reporting from the Lincoln Center, Jack Ferris, KXLY4 News.